Yeah, hi guys, Stephen up for my full fortune. Today we're going to take you on a project that's been sitting dormant, probably rusting away. And that dormant, rusting away project, it's called Lawn Mower. This is the ride-on Lawn Mower, and as you can see, I've got a guard and a scrutineer. It's named Saba. He's going to look over my work. Hey Saba, he's going to make sure that I do the right thing. Anyway, this particular lawnmower has been sitting around dormant. It's a Craftsman LT1000. There we go. There's my scrutineer's already on the way. But what I've done is, or the moral of this video, is to do with taking something that's old, repairing it, making it new. What's that got to do with fortune? Simple. These machines, the ride-on lawnmower, they're worth around about 12,000 or even more to buy. And if we can turn something old into something productive and usable once again, you're creating, a bit of fortune for yourself, saving you some money. And of course, I've already priced up some of the price to repair this. And as you can see, I've already taken the bed down the bottom where the blades normally sits. Oops, nearly lost it.